Hey guys, Waldi here, and today I'm gonna wait, who? Oh, hi guys, it's me, Waldi's brother. I made it. Yeah, I made it. My name is Taldi, by the way. Oh, hi Taldi. Just about to make us a video. What was it about? I was about a video.
That was made years ago.
It was made in 2023, I think.
Yeah, 2023.
And it's where I go like, hey guys, I'm gonna do a funny sound. Oh, I want to do that. Then go ahead. Hey guys, it's me, Tony here, and today I'm gonna do a funny sound. Oh look, it's the forgotten character that we missed for so much years. It's Smooshy. Who is that? Are the forgotten characters? You know that. No, I don't know that. I don't know that. Oh, you stop freaking hitting the camera. Also, that's a camera? That little black dot?
Didn't I tell you that, like, in the bathroom? Told you.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this new video.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.
And one day we'll become a really famous YouTube channel, just like SML. And that's what we're trying to do.
We're not trying to get copyrighted, Waldi. We're not trying to do that. We're not. No, Waldi, we're not doing that.
Oh, okay.
But if you want to see different videos...
I've seen many channels on YouTube that were just basically copies of SML, and that just gave me the idea to do it.
I know, but they asked SML to do it first. Waldi.
Should we ask him to do it?
No, we don't even have...
Okay, goodbye, guys. 3, 2, 1, pee-pee.